Hi everybody! Today I'm making a crispy eggplant salad featuring golden, cornstarch-coated eggplant cubes, fresh cherry tomatoes, crunchy cucumbers, all dressed with olive oil, garlic, lemon juice, and topped with feta cheese. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. This eggplant salad is dangerously addictive. Welcome to my channel, Cooking Show at Home. Here I share simple, delicious recipes you can easily make in your own kitchen. As always, you'll find the full list of ingredients in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, please take a moment to like and subscribe. Let's get started. I'll begin with one eggplant. There's no need to peel it, just cut off the ends and dice it into about 1-inch cubes. To remove bitterness and prevent the eggplant from absorbing too much oil during frying, sprinkle it with 1 teaspoon of salt, toss well, and let it rest in a bowl for about 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prep the vegetables. I'll take about 2 dozen cherry tomatoes and cut them in half. To do it quickly, use this simple trick. Place them on a cutting board, press gently with something flat like a plate, and slice through them horizontally with a sharp knife. Done. Next, take 3 small cucumbers. Cut them across first, then slice them thinly. Slice about 1/4 of a sweet white onion nice and thin as well. Add some fresh greens. Parsley works great here. Now crumble about 1/3 cup of feta cheese and add it to the bowl. Finally, finely chop or crush 3 cloves of garlic and add everything into your mixing bowl. Now back to the eggplant. After rinsing it with cold water and draining well, coat it with about 1/3 cup of cornstarch or potato starch. Toss until evenly coated. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat and add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Fry the eggplant for 12 to 15 minutes until golden and crispy. Stir occasionally and add a bit more oil if needed. Once done, add the hot eggplant directly into the salad. It's perfectly fine if it's still warm. Drizzle with the juice of half a lemon, toss everything well, and check for salt. And that's it, done. Serve it as a side with meat or fish, or enjoy it as a main dish. This crispy eggplant salad is hearty, fresh, and absolutely delicious. Enjoy! Thank you so much for watching. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more delicious dishes. Let me know in the comments if you try this salad or if you have your own twist on it. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.